Another thing. But welcome. I want to say thank you to the Botanical Gardens for hosting this beautiful event and having us out here so we can enjoy the beautiful art and the beautiful scenery. And I also want to remind everybody that the Botanical Gardens does sensory-friendly Saturdays once a month. So the next ones will be February 5th, March 26th, April 23rd, and May 21st. And that's all on their calendar website. Can you still hear me?
Yes, but you need to take the mask off and put it closer so that people can hear you.
Oh,
Yeah, we're outside. Outside, yeah.
Yeah.
okay.
Better.
Thank you. So I just want to go through a few thank yous because it took a lot of individuals, a lot of people to get here. And I want to thank the Naples Botanical Garden again so much. I mean, absolutely fantastic. The dedication and the way that they just took this and ran with it, I'm just so impressed and thank you. I got to thank my web designer, Manny Rodriguez with Ender Tech. I'm sorry, one of my needs is pronunciation, and as my wife knows, this is not my favorite thing to do. I want to thank John's Crazy Socks for being a sponsor. I want to thank New HD Media, that's where we do our radio show. And if you didn't know it, Trouble J, our son, is a DJ. And so you can listen to our show Sharp Living every Sunday from 6 to 10 a.m., where we do what we do with our website. We share organizations that help us move forward as we play great rock and roll music. I want to thank the Boston Prayer Card Company, and I'd like to thank Managing Gift Store, and also Bluegrass Bernie Doodles. These are our sponsors, which helped us be able to put on this fantastic event. Now, I'm going to ask my wife, Cynthia, would you come up here, please? Because, again, one of my needs is pronunciation, and she's going to say the names, okay? Start at the top. I'll grab the certificates.
First is Coots, Natural Photography by Avery Miller.
Now, also let them know that some folks may not be able to make it this evening, but we want to go through everyone that participated. And also, this was a national contest, so some of the names we're going to say they're from California, New York, and they didn't make it. So if they didn't, I will mail out their rewards if they are not here this evening.
Power Dust, Nature Photography by Beatrice Cashon.
Yay! Oh, I should know that. Oh, powder dust. Yes, it's awesome.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you. Beautiful work.
All right.
Fall, Nature Painting by Chloe. Oh, did I skip one? Sorry. Butterfly Garden, Nature Painting by Caroline Cochran.
How are you?
You did awesome. That was really cool.
Nice, Caroline.
Fall, Nature Painting by Chloe.
Chloe's from North Carolina, so she will not be. Yep.
Wall Art, Nature Painting by Dominique O'Connell.
All right, yeah.
There you are. Beautiful work. Thank you.
Happy Flowers in Tall Green Grass, Nature Painting by Ella.
And they also may be just enjoying the park. So just if you see anyone mention it, we'll have the gifts up there. I'll make sure they get it before they leave.
Butterfly, Nature Photography by Francisco Gomez. Gomez? Thank you.
So if you want, I'll just bring this up.
Oh, yeah, that'll work.
How about that?
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, Avery's too, and she's
Okay.
Bush, nature painting by Frank Lietes. I'm assuming that this is a Spanish name. But... Okay. I'm like, is this a joke? It gives me all the desert, nature painting by Gargi.
I believe she's from New York.
The Frog Prince, nature fiber, fabric, and yarn by Indiana Crehan.
Yeah, he's from Florida, but not this part of Florida.
It is impressive that we've gotten the submissions that we have gotten online that has driven traffic to our website in recognition of the additional needs community from across the country and even from the world. There were people who really wanted to participate from all over.
I love that.
Yeah.
And she's much better at this. Yeah,
Okay.
This is my example. Check this out. Our next one who did the profile and why we created is for our son Jack. He's in the park with my mom, who is not here. So there are some individuals out enjoying the park.
We did a photograph.
I'm bummed. And one of my sons.
Freehand drawing, nature drawing by Jackson Bowdish.
Oh, he is? Okay.
Jackson Bowdish. He's actually camping this
He
weekend.
is camping. Yes, he is. Yeah.
Caterpillar, nature drawing by Kathleen Lettingham. Ladybug, nature painting by Laureen Maeko.
Lauren Miyako. She's really her twin sisters. They're one to make it right. They can't tell. She looks just like her.
Moonrise, nature painting by Leah Crehan.
Again, she is in Florida, but not this part of Florida.
Barnyard, nature sculpture by Logan Seifert. Squirrel, nature photography by Matthew McCauley.
Is he here? Oh, yes, yes, we are. We're going to take a quick moment. Did you announce our son?
Our son was an example of the artist profile. Jack Sharp.
All right, Jack.
So proud of you.
Hold that for you? Yeah? Okay. Great job, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Lee.
Okay, now I'm teary-eyed. Log, nature painting by Michael Presto. Green sea turtle, nature painting by Nina Milakakis.
She wanted to make it, but she wasn't able to, but she does live here too.
Sunset at the beach, nature collage by Nicholas.
Great job. You're welcome. Yeah,
A New Beginning, nature photography by Olivia DeAngelis. And she wanted to be here.
But she was not.
Turtle, nature sculpture by Sarah Lettingham. Colors of Nature, nature painting by Sebastian Raleigh. Ruelia, nature photography by Sephra Peters.
You're very welcome. Beautiful job.
Flower Bouquet, nature painting by Tom Carreta. Chameleon, a self-portrait, nature painting by My Sensory Art by Zofia Perez.
And she's here in Florida. She actually has a company. She sells sensory wands, but she's not able to make it. She's on the East Coast. Now, so thank you all for that. You guys did an awesome job. We're going to switch gears and please thank the organizations that came here.
So, on a personal note, I want to say thank you. This is far and beyond what in time has taken energy and passion and dedication by my husband, Doug Sharp. And forgive me, I'm getting all choked up. Hold on. Doug started volunteering for the Naples Art Fest in 2004. And he saw a vision that an art fest that displayed wonderful art, but didn't give the additional needs community the ability to express itself and to recognize itself. And today, each and every one of you is that perfect representation of his hope, his dream, his desire. And I thank you. So, Naples Botanical Garden, thank you for a beautiful setting that has gifted every individual and participant the grace and the godship of divining this and creating this. And without you, this would not be what it is today. Thank you to Mary Fellens, MF Therapy, who has guided us since Jack was a year and a half, all along. Thank you to Endless Frame, who has helped the community in gifting music and dance and expression, and who has allowed our son to enjoy that too. To Rachel Cohen for Listen Here, for coming and participating, and she is new as a practitioner and working with children in audiology, creating her own business, new and creating her own business. Easter Seals, by far, thank you. We have the young generation, you brought the older demographic, and this is a beautiful combination of sorts, so thank you for your openness and accepting our invitation.
Now, we're not finished yet. Now, because we had the voting, and we had a little glitch, but to be honest, even with the glitch, I was inviting everyone to come. It wasn't going to matter. So with the voting, what we did, we had originally 25 gifts to give out. We didn't know how large it was going to be. So we have 7 extras, and so the top vote getters are getting an additional needs t-shirt and bracelet. So we'll start handing those out next. So honey, this is...
Dakota Wing. This is a certificate of participation with an awareness shirt.
Nice.
Owen.
Owen, yep. Great job, Daniel. Great job. You got it?
Good, Owen.
John Benitez. John Benitez.
Okay. Well, we know that
Bennett Richards.
I believe Bennett is. Is he at the most votes? Yes, they were able to make it there on a little mini vacation.
Okay, I'm sorry, he's on vacation. Eli Cohen.
You did the swim shirt. Yeah, made a bracelet.
Kaylin Heilman.
Congratulations.
Beautiful. And our final vote getter.
Adrina Garcia. Adrina Garcia.
Art pieces, and then they said yes, we're going on a little mini vacation. So we are now to the judging, the judge's choice. I want to thank our judges, Dennis Goodman, Mary Poboli, John Bartolis, Marcus Thomas, and Hannah Kendall. They all took their time. They put details on why they picked the artists themselves. They also are at the Art Fest Naples today and tomorrow. And that is benefiting Star Ability, another organization that helps that community very much. So if you get a chance, I used to be the logistics coordinator for that art show. Unbelievable art show. I encourage you all to go. And if you do go, please, Hannah Kendall. She has her own booth. She's the one that created the bracelets and helped create the t-shirts. So, with further ado, I'm going to give this back to my wife. And we are going to be, these are the judges' choice. And
So he won the
the
3 to 5, third grade to fifth grade. Indiana Crehan is the judge's choice for the category for 6th to 8th grade.
And that was very, very close. I know we got the other young man that competed. I'm going to share the verbiage that the artist taught. So, Nicholas, you in here, you did an awesome job, and the artist absolutely loved it.
Zofia Perez.
She is Sensory Wands, which she has a beautiful company on our website. I believe she's from New York. So, our one individual that is here, and I will have to go back to my booth in a little bit to get them the $100 because each one get won $100. Is
Owen Heilman.
Way to go, Owen!
and I have a check for you. Thank you. Great, yeah. Okay, Jack, Jack's got that for you. Thank you. Now, I also think I have to run over real quick because we're going to do the drawing for a year membership, family membership to the Botanical Gardens. Thank you to the Botanical Gardens for that. I'll be right back in just a second.
Art contest. triggered me. I don't know what else to say. I'm at a loss of words. Is that really happening?